Well, morning from Dynodaze, and look what we've got. Now this is something, not only is it rare, but something a little bit special. This young man's going to tell me what engine's in here.
So it's got a 2ZZ GE Toyota engine from a Corolla.
Excellent.
T-Sport.
And how easy was that to fit, or not?
We got Paul Woods from Woodsport to fit it for us.
Oh, I've heard some good things about him.
Yeah, he's done quite a few of them.
Is it a common conversion?
Yeah, it's fairly common. And it retains the character of the original
Sure,
engine.
sure.
It's a very high revving engine. And
What power are we expecting out of it today? Now this is for giggles, in case it doesn't make it or it makes loads more,
so
but we like to ask.
Yeah, in stock trim it should be about 190, 192 horsepower.
So that's that engine would make 192.
In the original.
Out of the factory, if you believe Toyota.
Okay. How old is this engine now?
So this one's out of a 2006, I believe. So this is the second one of these that we've had. We did spin the bearing shell on the first one.
Well, that's always good fun.
Yeah.
That's always good fun. You're not
Rockingham.
Yeah, you're not trying hard enough, are you? Good stuff. It looks amazing. It looks absolutely fantastic. Not much to see in this end, but what a car. How long have you owned it?
Since 2009.
Oh, so you've had it a while.
Yeah, so it had the original engine in. And then,
Yeah.
it got converted in about 2013.
Yeah.
14.
Awesome. Has it been on a dyno before?
No. First time.
Okay. Virgin. Let's get it loaded up.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.